One of the more challenging things about English is that spelling does not equal pronunciation. Words don't always sound like how they're spelled. Take, for example, the letter A. Any sane person would think that this letter is pronounced one way. Of course, English is insane, so there's actually 7 ways you can pronounce it. That's right, A is pronounced differently in all of these words. Sometimes it's even pronounced differently in the same word. We're not going to worry about all these pronunciations today. Today we're going to focus on one specific sound. It's the A sound in happy. The most effective way to learn English sounds is to learn what they look like in the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA for short. This is so powerful because it allows you to use dictionaries to help you with pronunciation, not just definitions. For example, if you search for the word happy in the Oxford Learner's Dictionary, you'll see that it gives you the IPA spelling for the word, in this case both in British English and American English. The important thing for us right now is that it makes it easy for us to know that the word happy has the A sound in it. Unfortunately, there isn't a simple rule to know when to pronounce A, so you have to rely on things like a dictionary and learn to pay extra close attention to how native English speakers pronounce words. Let's do this now. I'm going to play a clip for you 2 times with a bunch of words with the letter A. Listen closely to see if you can tell which words use the A sound.
So I'm sitting there, it's like watching a tennis match. I'm happy, and then I'm sad. I'm happy, and then I'm sad. So I'm sitting there, it's like watching a tennis match. I'm happy, and then I'm sad. I'm happy, and then I'm sad.
There were 3 words with the A sound: match, happy, and sad. As a side note, while the word and uses the A sound when spoken by itself, it's pronounced differently when it's part of a sentence using a weak form. We'll explore that in a different video. Listen one more time and see if you can hear the A sound in match, happy, and sad.
So I'm sitting there, it's like watching a tennis match. I'm happy, and then I'm sad. I'm happy, and then I'm sad.
To make the A sound, you need to drop your jaw and make sure that the tip of your tongue is forward and touching your bottom front teeth. A, 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 black, cat, snack. You now know the theory of how to make this sound. To improve your pronunciation and recognition of it, you have to practice out loud. Let's do that now. First, we'll play a game. The idea is that you have to find your way through this maze by finding all the words that use the A sound. The first one is have. Which one is next? BACK or ARM? Try to pronounce the words out loud first. I'll then pronounce them 1 time for you to help you make your final choice. Go ahead and say those 2 words now. Arm. Back. The word back uses the A sound. Which word is next? Had. Away. The word had uses the A sound. Now what? Alarm. Family. Family uses the A sound. What comes next? Agree. Crab. The word crab uses the A sound. What's the next one? Harm. After. The word after uses the ah sound. Of course, that means that cat is the final word. Good job. Next, I'm going to read this sentence out loud slowly. Say it out loud after I say it and focus on the ah sounds. I'll then say it one more time at a normal speed so you can practice saying it fast as well. Did you play the sax back in high school band? Did you play the sax back in high school band? Here's the next sentence. First, I'll read it slowly, and then I'll read it at a normal speed. Make sure you practice saying it out loud after me. Your family is actually very nice. Your family is actually very nice. Last exercise. First, can you determine which of the A's in this sentence use the ah sound? The words can, tax, and travel use the ah sound. Listen and repeat out loud. Can you avoid paying tax when you travel? Can you avoid paying tax when you travel? Remember, to make the ah sound, you need to lower your jaw and stick your tongue forward so that the tip is touching your bottom teeth. To finish up, listen to our video clip one more time and see if it's easier to notice the ah sounds now.
So I'm sitting there, it's like watching a tennis match. I'm happy, and then I'm sad. I'm happy, and then I'm sad.
If you like this lesson, click like and subscribe below. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications for all my free lessons. By the way, if you like improving your English in a short amount of time, go to deliberateenglish.com to get a free 15-minute workout guide. It's full of challenging exercises that can help you improve your English even on busy days. See you soon.